Chris on his last solve here. Looks like he's found something. Still kind of looking around for his first couple pairs. Bit of a lock-up at the start. FQL's going smoothly, turning really, really fast, and then gets a 651.
There you go. So that,
and that's a 647 average for Chris Mills. Huge congratulations there.
Brilliant.
We said there'd be some, PBs and national records, and just in the first group, Chris does it.
Very courteous starting us off with that.
Really happy. Shout out to anyone in the UK back home.
Welcome to
your compatriot Chris Mills just broken the national record average.
647.
Congrats.
Very consistent as well. Worst solve 692.
Yeah, not much deviation at all there. And all full step by the looks of it, so just consistent solving.
What was the average? Congrats.
Hey baby, let's go. Good shit, man. I'm proud of you, man. Say 647.
We get 20 minutes ahead. Tell crew go have a size, right? You like the